iOS 26 is an amazing update in itself, and I'm using iOS 26 on this device. And I got a lot of your comments that you guys are facing problem with the battery draining, phone stucking at different things, apps crashing, screen freezing, and lot more stuff going on. And honestly, this is really annoying, and you can't just sit and wait from Apple to bring an update. You can actually fix this stuff yourself. So in this video, I'm going to share a really cool software that is going to help you to fix all of these issues. Even you can downgrade to older iOS if you want to. You can go from whatever your iOS using to the signed old iOS version. So in this video, I'm going to share that software. So let's get to my computer screen. Okay, so this is the website. It is toolskit.com. As you can see, you can visit it. Links are given in the description. It is an iOS system recovery that allow you to do a lot of stuff. What you can do is you can repair more than 150 iOS problems, not only on your iPhone but also on your iPad and iPod Touch. As you can see, these are mentioned over here. I don't want to waste your time. I just want to download it from right here, and it's very easy to install. Just install it and you're good to go. And when you install this is how your software is gonna look like. The simple UI is amazing, very easy to understand. Over here is the iOS system repair, and there is upgrade and downgrade and more stuff going on. So let's get into the iOS system repair. So as you can see, tons of things mentioned over here. If your device is screen stuck, having any sort of other problem like device is not ringing, touchscreen problem, stuck on no service, or any sort of problem, you can fix it from here. You can go for the standard repair or you can go for the deep repair. This is literally amazing. Now, many of you guys ask me that how you can, downgrade to any other iOS. This is the best way to downgrade. What you need to do is, once you are over here, you need to connect your iPhone. And once you connect your iPhone, like I'm gonna connect my iPhone right now. And once I connect my iPhone, it understands that what iPhone I'm using, what iOS version I am using, and it allows me that where I can downgrade, which in itself is amazing, very simple, just one click to go. So you can also use it for downgrading and also use it for upgrading. It has more features, like if you're stuck in iOS, you want to reset your device, you can just one click standard reset and factory reset, totally your choice. It also allows you to do more stuff. If you want to, enter into recovery mode, you can enter into recovery mode, or you can also exit the recovery mode just with one click. So there are many more tools, as you can see, iPhone unlocker, then activation unlocker, and more stuff going on. So again, this is a really good software, so make sure to try this out. So yeah, isn't it amazing? Definitely it is amazing, a really good software. Again, the links are given in the description. Make sure to try this out, and it will be helping you a lot to fix a lot of issues on your device. Well, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below too. Well, see you in the next one. Again, links are given in the description, so check out this software. Peace out.